page 6 is here. Got a 6x4 photo mat, pull out tab here, which has actually got, when you pull it out, it's got photo mats both sides, and it closes with them. That's why it's a bit stiff, that one, because I had a little fiddle around. Photo mats and a pocket here. So first thing we're going to do is take our page, which has disappeared. It's here. Okay, so I'm going to turn it over, and the flap opens from this side, and you'll see that you've got a little tiny, it's supposed to be like that, it's supposed to be slightly smaller, so you've got a little bit of green spotty showing through when you do it. So we're going to stick that first, so burnish well. And you're going to the edge of the page and the flexi hinge, so make sure that's not blocked at all. It's nicely lined up and straight. Yep, that's fine there. So that's that bit there. So I'm going to decorate on the top of the flap first. So I've already used my straight pierced pocket slot, and I've cut out about 1/2 inch from the edge. I've cut out my slot here for my page tag to fit into. Because this is going to be a pocket, you don't want to put any glue in this bit here, so glue on the top, just down the side here, along the bottom. Down. And then that is going to stick. Let's put this under there for a minute. It's going to stick onto there. Right, so tumble dryer sheet. This is my pull out tab. And I want to make sure that that slides in and out easily, which it does. So next thing you need to do is you need to find your halfway mark for these, and this is 5 1/4. So let's find my page marker. Right, 5 1/4, half of 5 1/4, half measure strip is there. And then we're going to do what we did before with the magnet sandwich, so exactly the same as we did on, I think it was page 2. So you've cut your smaller back tags, I'm going to put a magnet in here, so we'll do that first. Now why are they stuck in there? Not anymore. Put this here, pop a magnet in there, and then burnish it in really well. stick that. I'm not sticking the flappy bits, the hinges. Okay, so just let that. So the idea is that one's going to fold on there, and that's going to fold on there. So give these a really, really good burnish to get them stuck. And then, okay, so here is your half width of the page tag, and you want to stick it so you've got one side there and one side there, like that. So that's the next thing we're going to do. So a bit more glue in there because I can see it squishing out. So pop that one under there, one under there. Is that roughly in the middle? Yes, it is. Okay, give that a burnish. Then give this one a good burnish too. And then that should fold over. The plan is that should fold over like that, and do that while the glue is still not set, so you've got a slight bit of wiggle room. Now I haven't, in this video, I'm not decorating this tab because I think there's so much left when you go through at the end that you'll be able to use whatever you want really. That's on there, that's there, and then you're going to need to stick another magnet onto here because that will then slot in there. That will clip down onto there, but it'll keep that in place. So same as before, piece of black tape, drop your magnet on. I'm just going to move it so it's got a bit more tape. Hello, they're coming in from the other side. Don't know what they're doing. That's there. So the plan will be that fits on there, that slides in there, and then that will lock on there like that. So that's nice and flush with that edge there, but you need to make sure that you cut decorative paper to fit on here, and you might want to round the edges of your pull-out tab. So I'm just going to stick my tags on. I have stamped them, but I have used a distress ink, so it's quite faded, the actual wording. It's not the stamp, it's because I've used a distress ink to do it with. And inside here, this one's telling you to pull. But this time I'm going to put that side because I just like it better. And you could still put your pull on there if you wanted to. Okay, so give that a good burnish. And then you have your decorative paper on here. That closes like that. So this one fits in here. Like this. And you've got your 6x4 photo mat cut here as well. So that would be fitted in there. And then inside you've got your simple page just with photo mats in, and again use your corner spaces so you get them nicely aligned and accurate, so the top and the bottom sort of match diagonally, if that makes sense. That goes in there. bit bumpy, take the tag out while you're sticking it. Okay, that's that. Then you've got this one going here. There, like that. Oh, I can see I've gone on the wonky bit. And then we'll put this pocket here. Stretch. Pop that on there. Pop that on there. And that's that one done. Now, if you've forgotten to put your 8x8 photo mat here, you can cut one and then use our photo corners to put it in place. You could actually put another pocket on here, so like we did on the front of the waterfall page, just cut a piece of black card and stick a pocket there like that. So that is the end of page 6.